Okay, so we have arrived here at Craig Automotive, TI Dyno, Super Groups Unlimited. We're gonna meet up with my buddy Dave, who just finished the cylinder heads. Except you.
I don't do either.
Yeah, you do. All right, we're here at Dave Dog's machine shop. You guys know Dave Dog here on the channel.
Look at this, what I did. Look what I did. Look at these shiny threads. Look at them all.
Dude, that's awesome, bro.
You had messed up those threads. I fixed them now. Some of them, one of them is really bad.
Was it? Did you fix it?
I think this one.
That's what friends do, man. He said, he looked at me, he's just like, we can either do it this way with these cylinder heads or this way. And one way was cheap.
I was gonna say I took the more expensive route.
And he's just like, well, we can get away with this, we get away with this. I'm like, we're not getting away with shit. This is gonna happen once, and this is gonna be it. These should be good for a while on our motor. So run it down, brother. Tell me what they did. Tell YouTube what you did. It's a little like titanium retainers right there, boy.
Put all new intake valves in because they were worn pretty good. The stems were worn pretty bad.
Thou and a half off or something like that, wasn't it?
Yeah, they were tapered pretty bad. And then the exhausts weren't so bad, but we decided to upgrade them to an Inconel instead of run-of-the-mill stainless.
Yeah.
So we did that.
And that's what was in these. These had stock valves. So
valve.
AFR. So these are aftermarket valves now.
Solid roller springs because I get tired of hearing about valve float. So we're just going to end that once and for all.
Once and for all. Because you guys remember, we had, these are actually my B springs that came out that are going on a set of GT40 cut heads. But we decided to upgrade to the double spring.
Yeah, that's a solid roller spring.
Went through our threads, double springs, titanium retainers, which will help. We got some new locks. He actually milled the guides out because these are oversized valves, so the guides are fresh. Seats were okay.
We had to hone all the guides. Resurfaced them. They didn't really need resurfacing, but
why not?
We just decided to go ahead.
So what do you think? You ready to go?
It's up to you now. It's your job.
All right, so we're about to go dark. We're not coming out of the cave until the car's running. Well, this is probably going to be a multi-day. I appreciate
a lot of crap in those intake ports.
Yeah.
A lot of the E85 black goo.
Really?
That you hear of, really thick. Not so much at the throat, not so much up here, a little bit up here, but way up underneath the valve, it's really bad.
So there's actually E85 goop.
Goo. Gross. Shit that I had to clean up.
Did you sonic these?
Mm-hmm.
You got that.
That's why they have snowflakes.
Got a big old sonic tank over there. See it? That's why they got snowflakes, yeah. So, to get something like this done, normally it would cost right around about, this costs
$1,500.
I got $1,500 upgrade here. So these heads should be good. What we do plan on doing with the engine, let's get it running and get through the season first. But we do have some plans at the end of the season to take the motor back out and refresh it. We're not going to do much with the white car at all next year. We're just going to kind of leave it. I just want to be able to have my white car back to, street strip, stick shift, whatever. And then we're going to be working on the coupe actively. So I went ahead and spent some of the money that we won this year on racing. That's basically went right into. And you got your car coming up soon too. Where's your motor at?
Gone.
What do you mean it's gone? You sold it, didn't you? Man, come on, man. You really sold it to that guy out there in the other side, huh?
No, I built two of them.
What?
I built two.
Not.
Three right here.
Yeah, come on, man.
Got some fly valve covers on it.
Those aren't fly. Those are actually pretty cool, actually.
They're actually pretty nice valve.
Single plane?
No.
Just a dual plane intake?
GT40. Lightning went in.
Oh, that's right. That's right. So where's the other 393? I see LS over there. Oh, that's James' motor.
351 going in that car.
Oh yeah, okay, so.
That's the one that we did.
Man,
That's been sitting in there forever.
I'm a little disgruntled with you right now, bro.
Don't be disgruntled.
I just want you to finish your car. I guess we're going into the winter with that one too, just like we are my coupe, huh?
I pay the bills.
I guess. What the f are you doing?
They don't.
Do you have two pairs of glasses on?
Shut up.
Is this what I get to look forward to?
Yeah.
All right, show me what you got.
So look. So AFR these holes are not really all that deep, okay? And you know this from past experience that you can't go in very far before they start to bottom out.
Yeah.
Well, what I did is I went in with a bottoming tap, which extended the threads about 3 threads further than what you were able to get before.
Okay.
So that's good. I'm telling you that on a lot of these, because whatever bolts were used didn't go in very far,
yes,
the first 4 threads are pretty stretched. They're not very good. Okay.
Well, I bought new 5/16 head, 3/8, 1 inch.
Well, that's probably good because 1 inch.
I had 3/4 inch in there. So yeah.
And they will go in because
so 1 inch will go
deeper.
in. Okay, good.
They should be fine.
I just bought a whole set of them.
This one here is fucked up.
Did you fix it?
No. The threads are okay. It screws in fine, but
this is my
where your ground was.
Ground, yeah.
Don't put it back there.
Okay.
Put it on the block. I was looking for a 3/8 bolt tight screw in there. Most of these are real nice. Well, all of them except for that one. I need to leave a mark so that I can find it. We didn't get to that. That's when I marked. So there's about that much thread in there.
Okay,
so that's a lot.
That's like 3/4 right there. Plus you got to figure header
plus
flange.
whatever the flange and gasket or whatever.
That's another 1/4 inch or so. So I'll get the whole damn bolt.
So, but here, look. So those ones, they're real nice, okay? They go in good. But this one here,
it's hateful.
It's hateful. And that's mainly for the first little bit, okay? So make sure you get it started right.
Okay.
Once it's started, you can go ahead and run it in just like everybody else, and it'll be solid.
So you think these retainers will be okay and they're going to clear my rockers just fine like you were talking about earlier?
Well, they better. You don't have any choice.
I know.
I was going to tell you to bring a rocker over so I could look and see. Stick out a lot more. But this one, so that's, well, it's got clearance. Okay, so that's what you want.
Right.
All the way down.
That's not going to be all the way down, but yeah.
That's all the way down. It hits at the very bottom. But it's not going to be down that
low. No, because it's going to be on the push rod.
No, that's the LS valve. And this is all AFR parts. They're much closer, okay? So actually the ones that we had to put the AFR, the LS stuff actually has more clearance. But this is how, if you'd have bought them from AFR, that's exactly what you'd get. Which is pretty damn close. These are like, they don't have much. Most rockers have a lot more than that.
So you think I'm going to be okay?
Well, you just need to look on this one. These ones you're going to be fine, but these ones here, the intakes.
So basically the intake.
Have to watch. I would have run the same locks on all of them, which would have put these really tall, but then it was too short. The spring wouldn't care, but the spring pressure was getting awful high, and I was like, I don't know.
What are they? 255, 520, or something like that?
Yeah, they're like 265 and 565.
Woo! But you remember, I run on. But I run on limited travels, so I only got like 25 or 30 thousandths plunger in my lifter, so they pretty much run like solid rollers under wide open throttle.
They do, really.
So I mean, this spring will be fine. Actually, I think this is going to change the way the car revs and performs.
Well, you know it won't be a valve spring problem if you still have problems.
Correct.
It'll be something else.
Driver error. Alright guys, that's pretty much all I got for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned as we head to the street to do a little bit of testing and tuning. Back to the dyno to make sure the stuff works, as we are on a time crunch to get to the track for the weekend. So stick around as we got a lot of videos coming up. Appreciate everybody for watching. See you soon in the next one.